Hello everyone and welcome back to the green heart of Italy, Umbria. I am Danilo Romolini and today we're just outside Perugia, immersed in the countryside among rolling hills, vineyards and centuries-old olive trees. We're here to visit together an incredibly restored farmhouse perched on the most incredible position with a swimming pool, tents of stunning cypress trees, and a manicured garden. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The closest supermarket is under 10 minutes from here, and under 4-kilometer drive, we have the E45 highway that connects you to the rest of Italy. Perugia, Umbertide, and the airport are around 20-minute drive from the property, and as well the Antoniola Golf Club, which was home for the 2022 Italian Open. The property enjoys extraordinary views, stretching over vineyards and the Umbrian countryside. There is absolute peace and privacy. At the same time, you are around 10 minutes to the closest services. The gardens of the property are one of those things that make it really special. You can see it's dotted with lots of large cypress trees framing the view. There is lavender, aromatic plants, rosemary, and a few large and imposing oaks that give even more character to the property. The gardens are perfect and they're all watered thanks to a nearby lake to which the property has an agreement with to supply the water. There are two buildings in the property. There is the main villa, which we will see shortly, and the charming guest house that you can see right behind me. Immersed in the most outstanding garden, dotted by large cypress trees framing these views. On the upper part, by the guest house, we have the 15 by 5 meters swimming pool. It has an electric cover and is framed all around by these large stone slabs on the edge, as well as stone and terracotta right behind me on this large solarium area. It is around 60 square meters, which equals to around 600 square feet. Let's see it inside. The guest house has been renovated with traditional materials. On the floor throughout, we have Umbrian terracotta, which is of a lighter color than the typical Tuscan terracotta, which is darker and more tending towards the red. In this case, it's very elegant and it is throughout. There is air conditioning, of course heating, openings on 3 sides, so lots of natural light, and these very charming slanted wooden beam ceilings. On the back we have this kitchen that spans nearly the entire width of this guest house. Marble sink. As you can see, everything is brand new and updated. In this room we have a lunch area, we have a sitting area, and right next we have a beautiful double bedroom and the bathroom. And now the main villa. It is perfectly positioned, it is south-facing, so you have the sunrises on this side going down with stunning sunsets on the other. For this reason, there are 3 nice outdoor areas. There is a sitting area on this side for great breakfast or lunch. Then at the center, there is a very nice and cozy sitting area in front of this view for a coffee, for an afternoon tea, or for a drink at night. While on the other side, you have another sitting area ideal for dinner. It is very protected by the walls and it feels very cozy. To access the property, you have a traditional and romantic cypress tree driveway. In the end, it arrives to a spacious parking area on the upper part. Welcome inside the main house. It is 300 square meters in internal space with 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This is the main entrance. Right away, you can notice that differently from a traditional country home, it has quite tall ceilings on the ground floor. In the country houses, on the ground floor, generally animals used to stay, and upstairs were the living areas. Therefore, the ground floor generally is lower. In this case, they are beautifully tall. On the floors, we find terracotta throughout, and on the ceilings, these exposed wooden beams as well with terracotta. Most of the house furnishings are included, and as you can see, it's been tastefully furnished. The wallpaper that you see right behind me is from Designer Guild in London. In this entrance room, there is also a comfortable powder room which serves all of the ground area. From the entrance room, we arrive to this spacious sitting space. As you can see, it is full of natural light. There are windows on two sides. There is a working fireplace, which is very cozy for the winter time, as well as underfloor heating and fan coils throughout. The home has very good energy. It was approved by a feng shui master. From the sitting area, we can enter through this opening onto the spacious TV room, which can also be used as an office. Next, we also have the access onto the loggia. This is a beautiful loggia because it's sheltered on two sides and open on the other two, enjoying the most beautiful countryside views. On the ceilings, there are exposed beams, and it's excellent to eat outside, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. From the sitting area, we directly enter onto the kitchen. You can see it is very large. It's just as large as the sitting space. There is this beautiful table at the center. It's made of one piece of wood with 8 chairs all around. The kitchen spans the entire width. So it begins on this side with lots of worktops. We have storage below on all of this area, double sink made out of stainless steel. Then we have at the center the stove with 2 ovens below, gas on top, and a grill right here. Right above, we have this large extractor with also these red lights that are excellent to keep food warm. On this side, there is another worktop with the microwave, additional storage, and in the end, we have a washing area. So there is the dishwasher over here, another sink, and the coffee machine. And through this door, we go right outside onto the other side, where there is another outdoor dining area overlooking the view, very protected by all the house around, and as well with access to the wine cellar and storage of the villa. By the kitchen, there is also comfortable access to the exterior and as well to the laundry area. Welcome to the first floor. Up here we find 3 large bedrooms, each one with its ensuite bathroom. By the way, there is Wi-Fi wired throughout the house. Also up here we have air conditioning, and let's begin with the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom begins with an entrance with another storage and wardrobe, and once you walk in, you find how beautifully everything has been furnished. It feels very cozy, and there really is an amazing energy. Lots of natural light. This is all pretty much natural light. There is also here underfloor heating. There is air conditioning that you can see right behind me, and the working fireplace, which is very cozy for the winter time. TV on this side. Over here we have the double bed. Terracotta throughout. This is the bedroom with a beautiful outdoor terrace which overlooks the view. A key feature of this primary bedroom is the direct access to the pool area. In fact, outside we find a nice little bridge that connects the 2 spaces. Otherwise, you would have had to go downstairs, exit, and come up again. This is really a convenient feature. Through this opening, we access the bridge as well as the ensuite bathroom of the bedroom. There are double sinks, beautifully finished with terracotta on top and also on the floor. There is a shower and the bathroom is really very large. And here we are on the second bedroom. It begins with the ensuite bathroom with a very nice and antique marble sink, finished as well with terracotta. There is a spacious shower and really tall ceilings. This is the bedroom, also here full of natural light. We have also a fan above, exposed beams and a working fireplace. The third bedroom has this very nice entrance with this antique door and the ensuite bathroom on my right. When you enter, you find both the shower and the bathtub. Also here we have a very nice marble sink. As we continue, we find the bedroom. All of the beds in this house are from Oka, London. As you can see, the ceilings are slanted following the shape of the roof, which makes this space very charming. There are two windows, one of which overlooking this incredible view. And here we are ending today's property tour. This home really ticks all the boxes. You are in one of the most incredible panoramic positions, immersed in nature. At the same time, you are close to all of the services as well as the airport. The home is immaculately restored and also furnished, pretty much a turnkey opportunity. It has a swimming pool, a manicured garden, and as well a guest house. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!